Limit who can send you direct message on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can send you a direct message on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok app and go to your profile. Once you are there, click on those three lines and click on setting and privacy. Now scroll down and you're gonna find privacy, click on it, and here you have direct messages. Click on it. Who can send you direct message? Followers you follow back and the people you send messages to, or no one. You can turn off this option by click on no one, so no one can send you a direct message on your TikTok app. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.